Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your version history. This is the design I created. This is the final design I want to export. But if I want to see how it evolved step by step, Canva lets me do that as well. To view your history and the various stages of your design, you need to go to the File menu on the top left. Go to File, and then navigate to Version History. Please note, this feature is only available in Canva Pro. Unfortunately, the free plan does not offer this option. But if you have Canva Pro, you can use this feature. Once you open it, you can see how the design was created over time, and it also shows the dates. So if I just click on a step, I can see the design as it was at that stage. Before this version, I made this change. Then the next step looked like this, and so on. You can view the version history in Canva. It's really straightforward. This is useful whenever you want to see how your design progressed, or if you want to revisit the steps you took. This feature lets you review all your changes, and if you simply click on a version, it will appear here. If you want to make a copy, that's available. And if you want to restore a previous version, you can just click Restore. Yeah, that's a simple way to view your version history in Canva. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions or confusions about Canva, please leave a comment. I'll answer your questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, that's a simple way to view your version history in Canva. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions or confusions about Canva, please comment below. I'll answer your questions and see you in the next video.